Hey guys, Aaron Bacon here. Here with some more gear mod videos. Just doing a little mod on my my little mini P-Bass over here, P-Bass copy. Today I'm switching out the bass bridge on my bass here. I've just taken off the standard just bent metal plate one. Don't really like those ones. There's basically three reasons why I wanted to do this. One is it's going to kind of act like a finger ramp. I really like finger ramps. I'm going to do a video about finger ramps and why I like them, so stick around for that. The other one, obviously, I just really like this nice color. This is really, I think, a good match for the nice red here. And I have this badass 2 bridge that I got quite a few years ago, and I had it on one of my other fretless basses. It was actually my first bass that I made fretless myself. I took the frets out, and that turned out pretty well, but there was another mod that me and got the help of a friend of mine, and we kind of messed it up a little bit. And it also kind of acts like a bit of a noise guard for the pickups, because this is a pretty cheap bass. And when you tap the pickups, it makes a lot of noise, like percussively, just from hitting it like that. But it wasn't an expensive bass, so it's okay. But this bridge is expensive, and I'm going to put it on this little guy here now, because I just think it's a really good bass, and I'm going to use this one more than I'm going to use that other broken fretless one. So I'm hoping that by covering them up, which I've done before with other finger ramps on other basses that didn't have that problem, and it doesn't really mute the pickups very much. Maybe like 2% of it gets muted. So I'm hoping that this will maybe reduce a little bit of that effect if you ever hit the pickup, because it's really quite abrasive. I have all the screws here. I always start with just the one on the inside, or the screw in the middle, because that way I know it's centered. If some of the other holes don't quite line up, which thankfully they line up perfectly here, that would be a bit of a thing, but you really just can drill a bit of new holes. It's not too big of a deal, because it's all underneath the bridge. So I really like where this has gone, and I really like the nice clean hidden pickups look. Sure, you guys let me know in the comment section what you think of my job here. I did a little miss-slice there, but it's okay. I have another one here. Maybe I can make it more precise at some point, but I'm really pretty happy with that, okay. There you have it. This is great. I love it. Now just time to put on some new strings, and we'll see how it sounds. So this is my new mods to my bass that I've just made. I made a pickguard cover. The new badass bridge is working pretty well as well. So let's see how this bad boy sounds with the pickups covered. Oh my god. Yes, well, I think it works pretty good. No, yes, okay, good. I'm happy. Yes, goodbye. Hey guys, before you go, if you have any thoughts or if you have any opinions on what you've seen in my channel here today, leave it in the comment section below, and hit that share, hit that subscribe. I also want to ask you guys to consider checking out my Patreon, and that way we can all work together to make the world a better place for the bass players online and here on YouTube. Thanks for seeing me.